Hook, have you ever wondered if Newton, that popular crypto exchange, supports USDT? It's a question that many crypto enthusiasts have asked themselves. Let's dive into the details and find out once and for all. Context: for those who may be new to the crypto world, USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. This means that 1 USDT is theoretically worth $1. It's a popular choice among traders because of its stability compared to more volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Newton's reputation: Newton has built a reputation as a user-friendly and reliable crypto exchange. It's known for its easy-to-navigate interface and its commitment to security. But does this reputation extend to its support for USDT? Research and analysis: to answer this question, we'll need to do some research. We'll look at Newton's official website, their social media channels, and even reach out to their customer support. Checking Newton's website: let's start by visiting Newton's website. We can search for USDT or Tether in their search bar. If we find it listed under their supported cryptocurrencies, then we're in luck. Social media investigation: if the website doesn't provide a clear answer, we can turn to Newton's social media channels. They often post updates about new features and supported cryptocurrencies. A quick search through their Twitter or Facebook feeds might reveal the information we're looking for. Reaching out to customer support: if we're still unsure, we can always contact Newton's customer support. They should be able to provide a definitive answer to our question. Sharing personal experiences: if you've used Newton and traded USDT, your personal experience can be valuable. Share your story and let viewers know if you encountered any issues or if the process was smooth. Addressing common concerns: there are a few common concerns that people might have about using USDT on Newton. Let's address these. Security: is it safe to store USDT on Newton? What security measures does the exchange have in place? Fees: are there any fees associated with buying, selling, or holding USDT on Newton? Liquidity: is there enough liquidity for USDT trading on Newton? Conclusion: after our thorough investigation, we should have a clear answer to the question, does Newton support USDT? If it does, we can provide viewers with instructions on how to buy, sell, and store USDT on the platform. Call to action: if you're still unsure about using Newton or USDT, we encourage you to do your own research and consider the risks involved. However, if you're comfortable with the risks, Newton might be a good option for trading USDT. Outro: with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.